When the power goes out, what's the first thing you think of? Food, water, charging your phone. We all prepare for those things. But there's a silent killer that most people completely forget, and it can take a life in minutes, not days. It's the air you breathe. During a blackout, our immediate instinct is to find alternative sources of power and heat. We fire up generators, bring out the camping stove, or even light a few candles. And that's where the danger begins. All these devices produce carbon monoxide, a gas that's completely invisible, odorless, and tasteless. You won't know it's there until it's too late. The tragic irony is that, in an effort to stay safe and warm, people often close all their windows and doors, trapping this deadly gas inside. Why do so many people make this fatal mistake? In the stress and darkness of a blackout, it's easy to make poor decisions. You might run a generator in the garage, thinking the fumes won't reach the house. Or you'll put a small charcoal grill on the balcony, just for a few minutes to cook. People think, it's just for a little while, it'll be fine. But it's not fine. Even a small gas burner or a few candles can raise CO levels to dangerous heights in an unventilated room. After every major storm or grid failure, hospitals see a massive spike in carbon monoxide poisonings. Here's how quickly it happens. First, you might feel a slight headache, or a bit of dizziness. Then comes confusion. You might just feel unusually sleepy. By the time you realize something is seriously wrong, you could already be losing consciousness. In high concentrations, carbon monoxide can be fatal in as little as 5 to 10 minutes. Survivors often say the last thing they remember is feeling tired and wanting to lie down for a moment. They never woke up on their own. Look at the real-world examples. During the 2021 Texas winter storm, hundreds of people were hospitalized for CO poisoning. In fact, more people died from carbon monoxide than from the storm itself. The same story repeats after major hurricanes and grid failures worldwide. It's not starvation or dehydration that becomes the immediate threat. It's the air in your own home. This proves that a lack of ventilation can be more deadly than any external threat. So, what is the single most important thing you can do? First, get a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. This is non-negotiable. It's your #1 survival tool in a blackout, more important than that extra power bank. Test it regularly. Second, never, ever run a generator, charcoal grill, or any fuel-burning engine indoors. That includes your garage, basement, or even on a covered porch near a window. Keep them at least 20 feet away from your house. If you're using anything with a flame inside, like a gas stove or even candles for light, crack open a window. Just a small amount of fresh air can be the difference between life and death. Remember this: while food, water, and batteries will keep you going for days, the air you breathe will determine if you survive the first few hours. In a grid failure, you control your ventilation, and in doing so, you control your survival. Stay prepared, stay smart, and most importantly, stay ventilated. Thanks for watching, and please share this information. It could save a life.